Friday, May 22nd. It's 80 degrees. It's absolutely gorgeous outside. So tonight, Mike and Dave Johnson are going to have their chance at the wheel. And what they need to do is break 7:30. They got to do 7:20 something to get into the game. So we'll see what happens. It's hot. It's a tad humid, but we got wind out of the south. So at least that's in their advantage. So we'll see what they can do. First race coming right up.
www.midamericamotorflex.com, and if you go to YouTube, do a search on Ace, the Air-Cooled Express and Omaha Volkswagen Club, and you'll see those guys out everywhere breaking records and having all sorts of fun, because that little car can really run. Go see John and John Body Company in Bellevue for all your automotive repair and refinishing needs for both domestic and foreign models. John's is located at 25th and Waynesville Street in Old Town Bellevue, and they guarantee their work for as long as you have the car. So stop on by for a free estimate. Or you can call them at 402-292. Air-Cooled Express, Ace, the Omaha Volkswagen Club, BW. Out to run again. He's always consistent, always fast. And if you got another VW, he says, bring it on. Show him that you're faster. Because he's got the place for your race with the VW that's in his rear view mirror. Putting extra air in there, Cool Express. He's that pulled out of 91. Back up for another run down the gun. We'll see what he can do tonight.
Mike's fourth run.
Get that thing all warmed up, set up, and ready to roll. Maybe he'll wind up pulling out mid-90s or so on this run.
David's first run of the evening.
Oh, look at that white car.
There's Dave. The lights are dropping down in there.
David's second run.
All right, he says if you got another Volkswagen that's faster than him, you want to see it, you have to have it approved. He says the only place he's got for another Volkswagen to race is in his rear view mirror.
David's third run.
And if you want to see Ace race, the place to go is YouTube or our webpage at www.midamericamotorplex.com. Check out the pictures and the videos. And
that's some nice times, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get this track back in shape.
8 miles.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is my buddy right here, Jeff Martin, and we like to pay tribute.
then just have the fun run.
This is going to be Mike's last run, we think.